Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the imagination. How are you using your imagination? Do you know we are creating day and night, even when we are sleeping, what we have imagined? Imagined means internally how we think and feel as our thoughts and the feelings as emotions. What are we imagining? Are we imagining the way we wanted to see our goals growing, the way we wanted to see as experience we're trying to whatever you're trying to create around your business, personal goals, professional goals. So I am masterminding the information around the business. Business can be your personal goals, professional goals. Everybody goals are different. My goal was I was looking for my purpose. Finally, I have found it. So I am working as my purpose. So this is my purpose. This is what I'll be doing. This is what I'm doing. So you maybe haven't found the purpose yet, or maybe you're still looking for the purpose, but you are on the right path if you're listening to me, because this is how the growth comes. And we are growing every single day. It's not that you are grown and that's it. We are just like a child. As a growth, as a mind growth, we are growing every single day. So what I'm talking about, we are understanding the mind, we are understanding the laws. So how these laws and the mind works. So this is what I'm talking about today as our own mind. So I'm talking about the imagination. We are creating it all the time. This is how everything comes in the physical. So 3D world, whatever you're seeing around as the materialistic things as objects, and that is a 3D world, and we are creating this using the imagination on the fourth dimension. We are using this substance, and this substance is becomes hard. And once we imagine whatever we are imagining, so hopefully you are imagining what you want. You're not imagining something you don't want. Most of the time, if you watch yourself subconsciously as a feelings, as emotions, sometimes we are not imagining good things. Sometimes whatever the experience we feel around with the family or friends, the environment, maybe the TV on the we listen the news, and whatever we are experiencing, that's what we are imagining. And that's what we are creating. We are creating that life for us. So to change that, you have to change your imagination, how you want to see your world, how you want to create your world, how you want to create your goals. You have to start imagining according to that, according to what you want, not something you don't want. Most of the time, 96% people or 96% time we are thinking something we don't want. And we have to start thinking something we want to experience in this world. So we are here as a human being to experience. Experience means we are creating being, and we have to start to create what we are meant to create, what we are born for. So you have to find your purpose. You have to, or maybe you something want, whatever you want, your personal goals or profession goals, everybody wants going to be different. So whatever your want is, let's start imagining, let's start seeing yourself. You are going to create that. First, you have to use your imagination. How you are using your imagination, just watch yourself. Are you imagining things, something you don't want, something you're experiencing is not good? You have to change that. You have to change something you want. You have to see yourself in imagination using your visualization. Visualization is your own vision. You are creating your own movie. You're the producer, you're the writer, you are everything. When we produce the movie, you are creating your own movie. So what are you creating around your goals or your business? So we are trying to masterminding the information around the business. So business can be your personal goals or professional goals. So what are you going to imagine? How you seeing your goals? How you seeing your business? How you seeing your personal goals or professional goals? So you start creating the way you want, not something you don't want. Most of the time we are thinking something we don't want. You can start watching yourself, what's happening inside, what's happening underneath, as our thoughts, as our feelings, as our emotions. That needs to change. That needs to guide what we want, how we want to experience as a living human being, the way we want, and not the way other people are controlling. You think other people are controlling you, or the environment is controlling you, is because we don't know how to use our imagination. We don't know how to visualize it. This is the reason we think and start to feel that. But let me tell you, you have the control, you have the imagination, you have the visualization, you have the image of yourself as your goal. You can do that. You can create, do, have, and create everything. But it's a learning process. It's not just one day job. We have to live that. We have to create that. We have to become that person. It's ongoing process every single day. So hopefully you're going to start creating what you want around your business or personal goals or profession goals. And so start imagining and start visualizing it. Visualize it is you're already on the fourth dimension, but you have to start live with it. You have to start to feel with it. You have to uh, means is already you are experiencing already. So this is how the fourth dimension we can create and do and have or create whatever we're trying to have around our business or personal goals or profession goals. So visualization is you seeing your vision through your eyes on the fourth dimension. Fourth dimension is this substance is getting hardened all the time. But what we are imagining, what we are creating, this is what we are experiencing. So all I wanted to leave with you, start using your imagination, visualization, the way you wanted to see your personal goals and professional goals or your life, whatever you're trying to create. So you have to live with it. You have to keep creating it. And before you sleep, see yourself, you're already there. You're experiencing that, whatever you're trying to create or have or do. So that's all I wanted to share with you today, because I was listening to Neville Goddard. Sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong, Neville Goddard. And he talks about the everything is a feeling. Feelings, if we're not feeling it, and that's what I'm talking about. What our feelings are as emotionally, what are we imagining? That needs to change. If our feelings are not there, emotions are not there, and what we are imagining is not there, this is the reason we are experiencing something we don't want. To change that, we have to change our emotions, feelings, and start to imagining, visualizing on the fourth dimension. And definitely the substance going to be hardened to experience whatever you're trying to have or do or create. So thank you for watching the YouTube. Please leave your comments. Your comments going to help me, and of course going to help others, because when you ask questions, I will try to answer it, and answer can help others. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Your homework is today around your goals, personal goals or professional goals. You're going to start to use your imagination as visualization on the screen of your mind, on the fourth dimension, something you want, with the emotions, with the feelings, and start to live with it, and every single day. And that's what you're going to experience. And it's not, you're not changing others, you're changing yourself. Most of the time we're trying to change others. We have to change ourselves. And that's how this universe world made for, to you have the control. You have control of yourself. You can create, do, have, and create anything. And if we start to work on yourself and start to control yourself. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And bye for now. Thank you. Bye.